Welcome, learner. Today we are going to show you how to implement the gamified learning content activities. Let's get started. The first activity is called Guess What? It will take you around 50 minutes. For this activity, you will need one play chip and one printed list of activities. Print twice the list of questions. Let's see how to do it. Each team sits around a table. Every player has one play chip. The activity cards and the question cards are placed in the middle of the table, with the back side of the cards visible. The first player turns around an activity card and reads out loud what is written. All players decide individually and in silence if they know this equals master this. If yes, they place their hand in the middle of the table with the play chip hidden inside the hand. If not, they place their hand without the chip. Tell the players to do this in a way that none of the other players knows if the chip is there or not. All the players now guess how many chips they believe are in the hands in the middle of the table. The one who is correct, starting with the player who turned the card and then clockwise or closest to the correct answer, gets the activity card and turns around a random question card. After the players together answer the question, the last player turns the next activity card and the same happens again. Start the debriefing. Activity 2, the Learning Oscar. It will take you around 50 minutes. For this activity, you will need paper and pen for each group. Let's go step by step. Form random groups, ideally about 5 people in each group. Tell all the groups that they have arrived at the World Learning Oscar event. Each of the groups has won a precious and unique Learning Oscar and is invited to deliver a speech where they explain the reasons they are very much worthy of this Learning Oscar. All is happening with live broadcasting and in front of everyone in the world. Go around the different groups and give each group a paper slip with one of the following Learning Oscar categories. Best practice for fast and efficient learning. Best practice to know what you do not want to learn. Best practice to search for new learning. Best practice in the use of tools that support learning. Best practice in the choice of a good learning environment. Best practice to find support for your own learning. Invent other categories if relevant. The groups have 10 minutes to prepare their speech and decide who will be the spokesperson. Gather everyone before an improvised stage and listen to the different speeches one by one. A bit of theatrical approach only adds to the nice atmosphere. After each speech, give the floor to the public for reactions and questions. Prepare beforehand a few backup questions on each Learning Oscar, just in case. At the end, thank everyone and start the debriefing of the activity. Please read the complete description of the gamified learning content before implementing it with youth. Thank you.